I just got my passport renewed. 876 documents. Yeah. Need to go check them out. Just got it from DHL too. Need to go check them out. Legit, real. Let's go. Appreciate it.
DWN TV, this is a boy do with beats. Back at you again in one more video, Rasta. Yes, I come to talk to the woman them, I come to talk to the man them. The devil at work in a way, Rasta. What me say? The devil at work. And the boy get powerful and powerful because guess what? The more relationship the man mash up, the more we get separate, the man get extra strong, Rasta. The woman them have to be wise. The man them have to be wise, Rasta. Because the devil knows if we come together, we're going to be strong. And the great things I got, my Rasta. And the man don't want that, aya. So a bag of things are going, you know. So right now the man them are going, them are idiot. The woman them are going, them are idiot. And I go with a bag of things. And the devil does a laugh and I say, yeah man, give me more strength. No madness. Brother, all the faithfulness gone. All the love and the respect gone, aya. Jaja, woman a trick man, man a trick woman. Jesus Christ, check it out.
Oh, what's going on? I got me a new little boo. I mean, I got a man, but he don't know about it.
Yeah.
But I mean, I love my man. He's good.
What's your secret to like a long, successful relationship?
Girl, get you a nigga with a disability.
What?
Yeah, he blind, girl. He can't see.
He's blind?
Yeah, but I mean, his pays.
Baby.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
this is him right here.
Oh.
This is my man. This is cute. This is my friend Amanda.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey.
Hey. Oh. Sorry, I got them curd though.
Watch, put a stick down, baby.
Okay. I'm sorry. I ain't reading now.
You sure?
Yeah, I girl.
Okay.
Oh, my mama called me.
Oh,
baby, talk to my friend. I'll be right back. I'll be back.
Okay, yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, free.
Thank you. How are you?
What's up, son?
You okay?
Hey, I'm good, man. Yeah, what's up with you?
I thought you were blind.
I am blind to the bullshit.
What bullshit?
Hey, your homegirl some bullshit. Quit playing. Well, look, what's up with you, though? And what, never seen you, what?
You can't be lying to my best friend.
Damn, fuck. Was she lying to me?
No, she's not.
Come on. So who did she just show you the phone? I just seen her show you the
It's her
phone.
mom.
Man, you come. Her mama named Tyrone Diggins. Here, Smith.
Tyrona.
You got damn shot. You got damn morals, ain't it? Ooh, shit.
Yeah, you're not even supposed to be able to see.
Them motherfuckers can see me. Shit, every time they got good eyeballs. Ooh, shit. Damn, girl, them toe tips too good.
Now what?
Them toe out. Eat.
Yes, Rasta. Yes, what me I talk about. The woman that trick the man that trick the woman. Jaja. The devil a get strong. Cause none of them no real, so all them fake. There is no example setting right there. It's last year. You know so what I go on higher? Jesus Christ, last year. Who was the biggest liar right there, so? The two of them soul gone to hell. But check out this brother here. I talk to the man them right now and tell him what you think about it.
Guys, I'm telling you, getting married is the best thing that ever happened to me. Okay, listen to me. I have 5 seconds. I used to be rich with long hair. Now look what happened to me. Don't do the same mistake as I did. Babe, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. I love you so much.
Jesus Christ, Lassie. No. So yeah, tell me, say, if you do the right thing, or the wrong thing? Jaja. No, aya. I'm confused. Jaja, God, I want to go on around here. But tell me what you think about this one. Check it out.
Here is my little family. That's my hubby. 2 of my boys. There's another one. And I am currently pregnant. I am an African American black woman. I have multiple kids. Of course, that means I have multiple baby daddies. Because my 2 oldest are only 15 months apart, I knew I had to get it in really, really fast. After I had my first one, he was only 5 months old. I went and found some random on the street and made sure I got it in really, really quickly before I even healed interiorly and had my second. After that, I went and found a nice white man that can take care of my family because I knew without him, we would be on government assistance forever. Luckily for me, the white man understood that I was a hoe. And so I had this baby. And even though we've been together for 5 years and the baby's only 3, you know, he just understood that it's just in my nature. So he stayed with me. After I cheated on him and made my youngest baby, it was really important for me to have a baby by him. Just in case he divorces me, I can take alimony and child support. I know for a fact that he's the father of one of the babies that's inside of me, but I'm not sure they're twins, and he may not be the father of the other one. That's the story of my life and how I became 28 with 3 kids living, 2 inside of me and 5 baby daddies.
No, brother, you man look like you lost right now. Like you man say, I wish part me there. I wish planet me there again. Me don't even remember. Me sick in me there, my man. Jaja. No. The man say, but my God, when me get myself in a father. Jesus Christ, not there? No, me understand why me and my wife was arguing. She talk about she wanted white man, white man, white man. You don't be done with black man or white man. But and every white man, I idiot Rasta. Check out this youngster. I call him Gillis, white man. Check him out.
So, yep, totally want to have 2 girlfriends. Yep, I totally want to have 2 girlfriends. Yeah, totally. Yeah, I definitely want to have 2 girlfriends. And if there's girls, I have a lot of friends. I know of a lot of them. But being friends with a girl means actually being around girls. But that's the thing. When you're in a friend zone with a girl, this is a tip. If you're in a friend zone with a girl, she needs to give you benefits. She needs to be friend of the benefit. It's not fair for you if she is not friend of the benefit. She needs to be a friend of the benefit. Like that is the best way to be in friends with a girl, is if she's friends with benefits. If she's not a friends with benefits, she is not worth staying with. That's just my honest answer. That is actually the most direct answer I ever given to you. That's the only time you should be friends with a girl, is if she's actually giving you benefits of friends with benefits. So actually, that's what you want to be in a friend zone. If the girl is not giving you any friend of the benefit of action, then find someone else. Find someone else. You know, there's actually a lot of other good girls that are actually out there in the world. You don't need to be like bragging all over one. There's many other girls that want what you owe as well. There's not only one girl that exists in the world, so actually enjoy hanging out with multiple. Be a player. Be a player like me.
Jaja, so me I tell her. I tell her say all them, don't play with them white dudes, man. Them man them are girls. Don't play with them, brother. You see me as that? But anyway, time to get serious. Woman, man, no need for stop on the madness out there, Rasta. The devil at work, man. The devil no want for so we come together and work as one. Cause you know me feel right now, me say the woman them were wise. I talk up. And 99% of the woman them are going to pay madness and say, yeah me that. Idiot girl, that a mad girl. Yeah me the man. Time for wise up, man. Listen from the lady here right now how she talk. And she talk with a whole heap of sense. So all the brother out there, no need for wise up to hear Rasta. Easier for the foolish, man. You see me? Love your woman and respect your woman, Rasta. And the woman them for loving the man and respect the man too. Shut this lady out.
I'm tired of hearing pussy is power. It's a gabillion good coochies out here. If your man gives you a blueprint and tells you, this is how I want you to love me, this is how I want you to tend to me, cater to me, nurture me, whatever, so that I could be content in this relationship, why are you not listening? You don't go to a job and they give you the job description and you fucking wing it. So why are you winging it in your relationship and expecting the man to, you know, be loyal to you? I'm confused. But you want a man to love you in your love language. Women need to stop that one-sided ish. I can't stand it. If you two choose to come together and y'all verbalize things, why not respect it? Don't you think that would make the relationship go much easier? It's like y'all make it harder and then you wonder why this man is unhappy. He told you what he wanted. You didn't listen because you thought your pork chop was enough to keep him. It's a lot of pork chops out here. Do better.